Welcome to the Tehachapi Hospital, a Bernards-Colombo joint venture project. Now, the full name of the project is the Tehachapi Critical Access Hospital. The reason it's a critical access hospital is because it's nestled in a remote area in between Bakersfield and Lancaster in the Tehachapi Hills. It's a 75,000 square foot, 26 bed facility. It has all the normal departments that you would find in a large scale urban facility, except it's here in a remote area and everything's on a much smaller scale. We're at the point where we're framing on the interiors. We have the exterior framed, plaster on the outside, glazing on the outside. We've recently placed the AHU units on the top of the building, so we're definitely making a lot of progress. We're standing in the main lobby. What we have going on currently is we've just finished monocoating the interior primary structural members, and we've begun duct straps in the main area. This area isn't as congested as some of the other areas that you'll encounter in the hospital, but nonetheless, it'll give you a good idea of what you'll see inside the building once we get inside. One of the unique things about this building is the main corridor. It's the central way to circulate throughout the building to the different departments. Now, it's unique in that Tehachapi is a big train town. So you have a train that basically crosses this area from the Mojave Desert area to Bakersfield, and this is the one way to get through into Bakersfield. That being said, the architect was very conscious of this and actually implemented the idea of a train into the building. So our corridor is actually meant to resemble the trains at Tehachapi. One of the most important places, at least when people have surgery and then they have a place to recover, are the patient rooms. This is your typical patient room. And one of the things that's interesting about these rooms is that they tend to be similar in construction and in design, mainly because nurses come in and out and they have to have an awareness of where all things are. So if we keep consistency over the rooms, you get better patient care in case of an emergency. This is the central plant. It's the heart of the hospital. It's where all our MEPS systems start, originate, and then flow out to the rest of the building. Overhead, you'll see an area that, at least for me, was probably one of the tougher areas to coordinate, in that we have so much overhead in terms of plumbing, mechanical water, HVAC, and electrical. It just almost became a nightmare to coordinate all the hangers that were coming through, the seismic bracing, and just the sheer number of mechanical objects that we had above. So the Bim coordination was crucial to this project in that there's a lot of overhead MEP, very small space, and a lot of area that needs to be coordinated. One of the useful tools that we had on this project was the iPad. The iPad is a way and a means for us to check that our contractors and partners are installing their overhead MEPs as we plan during the BIM coordination. Everyone knows how important this hospital is to the local community and the district. And a lot of the employees here are heavily vested in the project in that they work here and they live in the city. So just to show them appreciation for all the hard work, we've come together with the district and the construction teams to have a barbecue, just to say thank you.
Thank you for the nice barbecue, sure is good.
So thank you for taking this tour with me. I hope you enjoyed everything that you saw today, and we'll see you at the end of the project.